How can a star appear in the sky, vanish without a trace, and then quietly return days later? Astronomy insists this shouldn't be possible, yet history tells a different story. Across three ancient civilizations, worlds apart, scribes described the same impossible event, a wandering light that appeared, disappeared, and returned again. Greece, China, and the Middle East, each with unique languages, beliefs, and sky traditions, yet all witnessed a star acting in ways no natural object should. In ancient Greece, scholars wrote of a twin light hovering above winter horizons, a glow that dimmed suddenly, vanished into silence, and returned brighter than before. Chinese astronomers kept meticulous records. Among them, a guest star that appeared unexpectedly, faded without explanation, and reappeared in the same celestial position. Meanwhile, Middle Eastern observers described a shining object that rose, fell, and rose again, a sequence so strange that scholars debated its meaning for centuries. 3 cultures, 3 accounts, 1 repeating pattern, a star that acted less like a celestial body and more like a messenger. To modern astronomers, such behavior breaks the rules of stellar physics. Stars don't return once they fade, planets don't vanish, comets don't reappear in the same place. Yet ancient observers were precise. Their records describe a timeline too consistent to ignore, a light that shone intensely, faded abruptly, then returned days or weeks later. So what could cause such a phenomenon? Science offers only a handful of rare explanations, each extraordinary, each almost too unlikely, yet still possible. The first is a rebrightening nova, a dying star that erupts violently, dims into darkness, and erupts again in a final cosmic flare. Novas can appear like sudden stars, burn with overwhelming brightness, lose visibility, and return when instability gives one last pulse before fading forever. One such nova was recorded close to the era of these ancient texts. Its timing aligned suspiciously well, as though nature left the signature hidden across generations. But a nova alone cannot explain everything. Some records describe motion, a wandering path across the sky, behavior impossible for distant stars. This leads to the second theory, a rare planetary illusion. When Jupiter and Saturn align perfectly, their combined light can mimic a new star. This spectacle, known as a great conjunction, can produce a brilliant point of light, brighter than either planet alone, appearing as a single mysterious star. As the planets shift apart, the star fades. Under certain angles or horizons, it can seem to vanish, then reappear again, an illusion created by perspective. But this explanation also falls short. Ancient records mention abrupt disappearances, far faster than planetary motion could hide a conjunction. So scholars turn to the third possibility, a comet unlike any known today, bright, unpredictable, and capable of vanishing completely. Ancient Chinese astronomers noted one such comet. It blazed unexpectedly, dimmed rapidly, and days later lit the sky again, almost as if reborn. Such behavior occurs only when a comet fractures. 2 pieces follow different paths, reflecting sunlight at different angles, creating the illusion of return. Yet even the comet theory struggles to explain the precision with which some cultures describe the star's reappearance in the exact same location. So researchers propose a fourth idea, rare, speculative, but not impossible, a gravitational lensing event, where massive cosmic objects bend light and create illusions of returning stars. This effect can duplicate celestial objects, making a single star appear twice from certain viewpoints, only to fade when alignment shifts. Though fascinating, this theory requires perfect cosmic geometry, something incredibly unlikely in the timeframes ancient texts describe. Despite these theories, none fully satisfy every detail. A perfect match remains elusive, leaving astronomers and historians chasing a mystery older than most civilizations. But the story deepens. Some ancient writings suggest the light behaved intentionally, appearing during moments of upheaval, vanishing during calm. Greek commentators wondered if it was a divine signal. Chinese scholars saw it as an omen of great change. Middle Eastern texts questioned whether it marked a prophecy, a celestial event interpreted differently across cultures, yet treated with equal reverence, fear, and wonder. Whether omen or anomaly, the light's behavior remains physically baffling. It shone too bright, moved too strangely, and returned too precisely to be easily dismissed. Modern astrophysicists attempted simulations, testing nova timings, planetary alignments, comet fragments, and even rare atmospheric refractions. None produced a perfect match. Some explain the brightness, others explain the motion, few explain the disappearance, none explain the return. So the mystery persists. How did 3 civilizations witness the same impossible event without communication or shared influence? their descriptions align too closely, their dates too consistent, their drawings too similar to dismiss as coincidence or imagination. Some researchers believe the answer lies not in one phenomenon, but in several overlapping events mistaken as a single returning star. Others argue the accounts describe something we've yet to identify, a rare cosmic event unseen in modern times. A minority propose an uncharted celestial object, a transient visitor passing through our skies only once in recorded history. Yet the truth remains hidden behind distance, silence, and time. The sky forgets nothing, but humans do. Still, this ancient light left an imprint on scholars, travelers, rulers, and entire cultures who reshaped their legends around it. It inspired stories, guided journeys, ignited fear, and sparked wonder. A single celestial event echoing across continents like a cosmic whisper. Even today, astronomers search for patterns, hoping to find another light with the same impossible rhythm, appearing, vanishing, returning, but none have emerged. The sky has remained silent, offering no repeat performance of the event that once united distant civilizations in awe, which raises a haunting question. If the light never returned, was it truly a natural event, or did ancient witnesses observe something rarer? A phenomenon so fleeting that humanity might never see its like again. The universe hides its secrets well. Stars die quietly. Comets fade without farewell. But some events leave a mark too deep to erase. This wandering light, this impossible star, became more than an astronomical mystery. It became a bridge between cultures separated by oceans and time. A reminder that, for one brief moment, the world looked upward together and saw something beyond explanation. A star that appeared, vanished, returned, and disappeared forever, leaving behind a puzzle scholars still chase in the dark. And so we ask once more, what exactly did they see? A nova, a conjunction, a broken comet, or something the universe has chosen not to reveal again? Whatever it was, its mystery endures. This is Mynthera, where hidden knowledge meets cinematic truth, and the sky's oldest secrets are brought back into the light.